You're watching how to download YouTube videos on Samsung. You can only officially download videos directly through the YouTube app if you have a YouTube Premium subscription. With a premium account, open the YouTube app, find the video you want, and tap the download button below the player. Select video quality and it saves offline. Without premium, you must use a third-party app or website. A common method is to use a dedicated app from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store, like Video Downloader for YouTube. Download and install such an app. Open the app and grant it necessary permissions. Then open your regular YouTube app separately. Find your video, tap the share button, and select copy link. Return to your downloader app. It will usually detect the copied link automatically or have a paste field. Paste the YouTube URL into the app and tap download or start. The app will fetch the video and present quality options like 720p or 1080p. Select your preferred quality and tap to download. The video file will save to your phone's internal storage or a designated downloads folder. You can access it later through your phone's My Files or Gallery app. Be aware of copyright and YouTube's terms of service when downloading content for personal use. Only using third-party apps carries some risk, so choose reputable ones. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.